Brain fog is a term people use to describe the feeling of being mentally sluggish, unfocused, or confused, even though there is no easily identifiable neurological illness or condition responsible for it. It is not a medical diagnosis by itself, but rather a symptom that can have a wide variety of causes. Imagine waking up feeling as if a cloud hangs over your mind, making it difficult to concentrate, remember things, or process information. That is the sensation of brain fog. People experiencing brain fog often report trouble with memory, reduced mental clarity, and difficulty making decisions. It can feel like thoughts are slower than usual, or as if your head is full of cotton wool. Symptoms can be subtle or strong enough that they affect everyday tasks, work, and relationships. There are many potential causes of brain fog. Poor sleep or inconsistent sleep schedules are some of the most common culprits. Other physical or emotional stressors, such as poor diet, dehydration, lack of exercise, hormonal changes, anxiety, depression, certain medications, and underlying medical conditions like thyroid disorders or vitamin deficiencies, can also contribute. In some cases, brain fog may arise when recovering from illness, such as after COVID-19 infection. If you find yourself battling brain fog, here are some strategies to help clear the haze. 1. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night and stick to consistent sleep and wake times. Reducing blue light exposure at night and creating a calm bedtime routine can improve sleep quality. 2. Eat nutrient-rich foods. A balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will fuel your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants are especially important for cognitive function. Avoid high sugar, highly processed foods that can spike and crash your energy levels. 3. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function. Drink water throughout the day and limit caffeine and alcohol, which can be dehydrating. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress can dampen your ability to think clearly. Incorporate relaxation techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness meditation, gentle exercise, or spending time in nature. 5. Move your body. Physical activity increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, which may improve focus and memory. Even a brisk walk can make a difference. 6. Address underlying medical issues. If you suspect your brain fog is due to a health condition or medication, consult with a healthcare provider for appropriate treatment or adjustments. 7. Take breaks and pace yourself. If you notice your mental clarity fading through the day, step away from tasks for a few minutes, stretch, or do a different activity to give your brain a rest. Remember, occasional brain fog is common. Almost everyone experiences a fuzzy-headed day now and then. But if your symptoms are persistent, severe, or interfering with daily life, it is important to seek professional guidance to rule out treatable medical causes. By identifying the root causes and making targeted lifestyle adjustments, most people can lift the mental haze and restore sharper thinking. Patience and self-compassion during the process are just as essential as any other intervention.